The Jetboil is great for the truck. I leave it in the truck. If I'm out riding, gonna come back to the truck, want some food, it is awesome. Excited to ride in this mud, honestly. Try and give you guys some little bit of reviews and footage here. And I haven't eaten all day, so before I try a lap, I'm gonna cook up some food. It's Jetboil. I'm gonna cook up some beef stew. Mountain House, one of my favorites. 2 cups water. Very important to put the opening here where you want to pour it out of. Just a little tip. Yeah, you can see it's red or orange. Steam's coming out. Ready to go. Shut her down. Pour it in. Give it a little shake. Close it up. 10 minutes, we got some dinner. Holy shit. I don't know about that, but hey. I'm going to leave a link below to 40 Times Around, who has a review of the Jetboil. A little more specific, go check it out. Whew. This is slickery as snot. Whew. Oh yeah, baby. Like I said, this is great at the truck. Get back, you're starving. 1 minute, boiled, you're good to go. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We've got a lot of cool gear coming up, doing some reviews on. If you've been here before, welcome back. Grab a fistful of throttle, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to look down at the links when you fly on by. Until the next time.